My good brothers and sisters, I have given you a free forex trading strategy on this channel, but it looks like some of us haven't taken that serious, or to better put it, it looks like some of us haven't actually looked at it yet. Although you might have watched the video, but you haven't taken your time to really use what I have given to you into practice or try it to see whether it's actually worth it or not. And that is why I am doing this video again. Now, there's a video on this channel. The title of the video is How to Create Your Own Live Currency Strength Meter. How to create your own live currency strength meter. That is the title of the video. If you go to the playlist, if you go to the description of this video, you will see a playlist. Click on that link and then look through the videos there. You will see how to create your own live currency strength meter. Please take your time and watch that video. That video will always be there for you. It is a simple strategy that I have given. Please take your time and watch that video again. And maybe this coming week, try that in your forex trading and let's see how it goes. Now, I want to take you a bit back to look at the strategy again. I'm not going to bother you much. This video is going to be short, but I just want to show you why I want you to take this strategy serious. Okay? No one is charging you for anything. It is free over here. So take your time. I just want to show you why you should give it the attention it deserves. So is that okay? So let me take you to this slide quickly. Those of you who have, or should I even take you to the channel and show you that video? Yes, I think this is the channel. This is the channel. This is my channel. Okay. This is my channel. All right. This is it. So this is the video. How to create your own live currency strength meter. That is the video here. Okay. This one. This is the video. The first video up here. That's the video. How to create your own live currency strength meter. It's about 1 hour, 6 minutes. Take your time and watch it again. Okay. I've only had 106 views on that video, but that video is really, really powerful. I want you to watch it again. Now, let me take you to this slide over here. In the video I have just shown to you, you will see this spreadsheet over there. And I explained how we came about, or how we got this details that you are seeing on the screen. Now, I told you that I always do the analysis of getting the strength of the currencies on every Wednesday. This one was on the 12th of April. This one was on the 20th of April. This one was on 26th of April, just recently. Last week, Wednesday, I did this and I got these currencies. And I told you that for nothing at all, once you do this analysis on Wednesday, just as I do, if you want to follow me on Wednesdays, you do it on Wednesdays. When you do, the stronger currency and then the weaker currency, pick the two and pair them. So that will be Chef JPY. So you go look for Chef JPY and then you will do what? You will buy, because if the currency is going to be Chef JPY, then which is the strongest? It is Chef that is the strongest, and JPY is the weakest. So Chef JPY, you're supposed to do what? Buy. You take a buy on it. You take a buy on Chef JPY. So if that is it, assuming you all did this that I'm showing you, let's go to the MetaTrader for you to see the outcome or the results of just this week. This strategy that I showed you, the results for just this week. So let me take you to the MT4. This is the MT4 over here. And this is Chef JPY. This is it. Now, I have just zoomed in. This is on the 1 hour time frame. Now, the date was 26th. Last week, Wednesday was 26th. I am recording this video on Friday. The market is still in session. It's not yet closed yet. It's not yet closed. So I am recording the video today, Friday, 28th. Okay, today is Friday, 28th of April, 2023. So the market is yet to close. So the live currency strength meter, you would have done the calculation on Wednesday, which was 26th. So let's look for 26th, okay? This is 26th, but this is around 4 a.m. Let's go back. 3 a.m., 2 a.m., 1 a.m., 12 a.m. So it means that this is where Wednesday began. So the 12 a.m. my time, if you look at it, this is my time. The MT4 is set according to my time. So the 12 a.m. that you are seeing here is actually going to be 10 p.m. Eastern time. 10 p.m. or American time, that will be 10 p.m. in American time or New York time. If you want to use the New York time, that will be around 10 p.m. That is the 12 a.m. Wednesday morning, 12 a.m. So that's midnight here in Ghana. Midnight, 12 a.m. is midnight. Wednesday starts midnight, 12 a.m. But in American time, the Eastern time, that will be around 10 p.m. We are ahead of the American time or the Eastern time. So whilst ours is 12 a.m. Wednesday morning, 12 a.m. in America, that will be 10 p.m. on Tuesday evening. Tuesday evening, 10 p.m. But in Ghana or Africa, if you look at our time, we are the GMT. So ours is actually 12 a.m. midnight. So the 12 a.m. midnight, this is where Wednesday began, 26th of April. So look at it. On Wednesday, on this candle, I want you to see the candle on which it began. This very candle over here, this one. That is the candle on which Wednesday began. So it means within 30 minutes into Wednesday, you can do your analysis. Or maybe you can choose to leave the whole night, since maybe if you're in Africa and cannot wake up around that time, early morning around 5 a.m., you should wake up around 5 a.m. and do the analysis. So if you had even done that around 5 a.m., this is 12 a.m. So let's look around 5 a.m. and see. Come on, 5 a.m. This is 4 p.m. This 4, this is 5 a.m. So 5 a.m. will be on this candle. So assuming you woke up around 5 a.m. on Wednesday morning to do the analysis, that will be somewhere here, almost at the same point, not too far away. So here. And we said that per the analysis, Chef was stronger than JPY. So Chef JPY will be a buy. You can look at it yourself. From this point, the trade only made a down move up to this point, and it went all the way up. And if you have watched the other video that I'm showing you to go and watch, you will see that we did the analysis for the previous 2 weeks and we saw the results. And then last week we did and saw the results. And this week, this is the results. So for 3 consecutive weeks, consistency would have played out here. You would have made profit back to back for 3 continuous weeks. So if you had taken, this is where, if you did your analysis around 5 a.m. or even if it's 6 a.m., that's fine. So you would have taken your trade from this point. Is that not it? So we all assume we did our analysis around 5 a.m. GMT. So we took our trade here. We took our buy here. The trade came against us 77 pips. So if you had given yourself a stop loss of 100 pips, now I'll explain that. And then what is the TP now? The TP is 332. That is how far this trade went. 332 pips, 300 pips between Wednesday and Friday. Because this was where Wednesday began. So between Wednesday and Friday, this is how this trade went. So assuming you were looking for just 100 pips, you would have gotten the 100 pips somewhere here. This 105. So you would have gotten your 100 pips around somewhere here. Look, let me tell you, I am not asking you to pay me for this. I feel like we are actually struggling to find something good to use to trade. And so if there's something that I feel it is good to use, and I have demonstrated why I think it is good for you to use. This is the third time I'm demonstrating. Last 2 weeks and last week, I demonstrated the results to you in the video I have just asked you to go and watch. In that video, you will see the details of how to do your currency strength meter yourself. The calculations, everything is in there. And if for nothing at all, every Wednesday, you will put your trade on. And within 2 days, because Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, your trade is done. Now, assuming you went for a stop loss of 100 pips. Now, one will say that is a very huge stop loss. It is not huge stop loss. The reason you might be thinking is huge is because you want to use a very huge lot size. Assuming you had $100 account, and then you decided to go with a lot size of 0.05, 0.05, and then you went for a stop loss of 100 pips. If your stop loss should hit, that will be $50. It means you are only taking half of the $100 into risk. If your take profit is also hit, you have made $50 profit. So you see it. It's not really the matter of the pips in terms of stop loss, but it has to do with your lot size. That is what we call risk management. If you don't have proper risk management, even you can get a stop loss as tight as 20 pips. If you will lose the trade, you will lose it. You can get a stop loss as tight as maybe even 15 pips. If your risk management is as bad as anything, you will make losses. So I always tell people that it's sometimes not all about the stop loss. It has to do with the lot size that you are using. You need to make sure that you minimize your risk and use the right risk to your account so that you don't end up losing money that you're supposed not to lose. Sometimes the stop loss gets hit, and right after that, you see the trade going in your favor, and you are like, my goodness. The trade didn't do anything. It happened the same way across board. The whole world, that was what happened. But the only reason maybe yours got hit is because of your risk. So it means if you had $100 and you gave it a lot size of 0.05 and you took just one trade, and you gave it a stop loss of 100 pips, it means if your stop loss should even get hit at a standard level, you are losing just $50. It is not just, but that is $50. And if you should win, that is $50. So assuming you were with me for the past 3 weeks, it means that you would have made 100 pips. That's 300 pips continuously. 300 pips. And that would have been $150 in just 3 weeks. So your $100 in 3 weeks would have given you $150 profit. So assuming the 4th week, which is the coming week, you get another 100 pips. That will be 400 pips in a month. And 400 pips in a month, that is $200 with just $100. You have made a profit of 200%. So you see it. So I really want you to take a look at that video again. How to create your own live Forex currency strength meter. Go and watch that video. Go and do it. Go and do it, please. I also asked you in that video to sometimes share if you feel you are not certain, because if you look at this screenshot here or this thing here, let me say this before I end this video. I'm almost done. Okay, I told you this video wouldn't be long. Now, maybe the figures you are seeing here, it depends on the time that you did your analysis. Okay, maybe you did your analysis around the 12 a.m. Maybe I did mine around 4 p.m. Sorry, 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. or maybe even 6 a.m. The figures might change slightly. The figures might change slightly, but the arrangement here you are seeing will not change. We may all get the same strength meter, but just that it is the figures here that might change slightly. Do you get the understanding? Maybe Euro USD, whilst I am getting 1.95, maybe you may be getting 1.92 or maybe 1.98. Whilst I'm GBP USD, I'm getting 1.45. Maybe you may be getting 1.50 or 1.35 or something. Just a slight difference, depending on the time we do it. But when it comes to the arrangement, in terms of which one is stronger than which, we may all get the same results. Is that okay? So if your figures are not equal to my figures, do not worry. Maybe the time you did your analysis, by then I had not started. Or maybe I had even done mine already. So there will be slight difference in the figures, but the strength, we may arrive at the same strength. Is that okay? So don't stress yourself. Just pick the first stronger one and then the last one, which is the weaker one. And then if you don't have any other strategy, just put this on. After you are done, just put your trade on. Open your trade and give it a stop loss of 100 pips and then a take profit of 100 pips. And then let's see, because you can see the results for yourself on the MT4. It's so clean and clear. This one that you are seeing right now, I did the recording, the video I'm asking you to go and watch. I did that video before this results. So if some of you had taken that video seriously and even decided to try on demo to even see what will be the outcome, this would have been the outcome. That is how easy it is. That's how simple it is. So my good people, I want you to try something out. I am here. In as much as we are all trying to make it, I don't want to be doing it alone. I want us to do it. That is why you subscribed. That is why you are watching these videos. So please go back and watch that video. Go back and watch it. Like I showed you, the video is still there on the channel. It's here. Okay, this is the video here. Currency strength meter. You can see that is the thumbnail or the picture that I've added to the video. So how to create your own live currency strength meter. That is the video. Go and watch it again and again and make sure you are able to do it the way I have explained it. If you have questions, please, you can contact me on Telegram or on WhatsApp, and then let's discuss. Okay, if you have any question bothering you with regards to this very particular video that I'm telling you to go back and watch, please get in touch. And better still, you can share your results with me on every Wednesday when you do your own analysis. You can share the results with me for us to see how it is. Is that okay? Thank you. Now, I have already mentioned my number in that video, and then my Telegram handle is also in that video. So when you go back to watch that video, you'll get to know how to get in touch with me for us to discuss. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the course of maybe tomorrow is Saturday. Let's see if I can get another video for you. But I am very, 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 very serious, I should put it, serious about that video I've just asked you to go and watch. So please go back and watch that video and put that into practice in the coming week. And let's gather here again at the end of the week, and then we see the way forward. Let's talk about it after we all try to put that, even if not on your live account, on your demo account. And when we meet on Friday, like we have met today, we'll look at the outcome. Is that okay? Thank you. My name is Kofi, your admin for this channel. I am here in Ghana. Yes, I'm a Ghanaian and I'm African. Yeah. Love you all. I'll see you again in another video.